Hello and welcome to today's video about mini excavators. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the most popular mini excavators in the market. So, sit back and watch the video all the way to the end. First up, let's talk about the Kubota K008-3. This mini excavator is a favorite among contractors for its versatility, durability, and high performance. It has a powerful engine and can handle a variety of jobs with ease, making it a great choice for construction sites, landscaping, and other heavy-duty tasks. Next, we have the Bobcat E10 compact excavator. This mini excavator is designed for maximum maneuverability, making it perfect for tight spaces. Its zero-tail swing design allows it to work in areas with limited space without sacrificing power or performance.
Não é daqui, Godol? Não é daqui?
Moving on to the Caterpillar 301.7 CR mini excavator. This machine is known for its strength, reliability, and precision. It's designed to provide excellent digging and lifting performance, making it ideal for excavation work, site preparation, and more. Another popular mini excavator is the Yanmar VIO17. This machine is compact and powerful, with a digging depth of 7 feet 10 inches. It has a sturdy frame and is built to withstand tough conditions, making it a great choice for construction, landscaping, and other demanding tasks. Next up, we have the JCB8018 CTS Mini Excavator. This machine is compact and easy to operate, making it perfect for small-scale construction projects and landscaping jobs. It has a wide range of features and attachments, allowing it to handle a variety of tasks with ease. Moving on to the Toro Dingo TX for 27. This mini excavator is designed for maneuverability and efficiency, with a narrow profile allows it to work in tight spaces. It's lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for small-scale landscaping and construction projects. The JCB18Z21 is another popular mini excavator that's known for its durability and performance. It's designed to handle various tasks, from excavation to demolition, and is built to withstand tough conditions. The Yanmar SV08-1B is a compact and versatile mini excavator that's perfect for a range of tasks, including landscaping, construction, and more. It has a powerful engine and can handle heavy loads with ease, making it a great choice for demanding jobs. Finally, we have the Kubota U10-3 and Bobcat E08 mini excavators. These machines are both compact and versatile, with powerful engines and a range of attachments that allow them to handle a variety of tasks with ease. They are perfect for small-scale construction and landscaping projects and are built to withstand tough conditions. Thank you for watching this video about mini excavators. We hope you found it informative and useful in your search for the perfect machine. Whether you're a contractor, landscaper, or just someone interested in heavy machinery, mini excavators can be a great addition to your fleet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We have plenty of other informative and interesting videos about different heavy machines that you won't want to miss. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.